Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a while since we gave you a tour of the house construction, and so we're gonna go ahead and show you where we're at. We are almost done framing. Lord willing, we'll be all done framing next week. So here we're going into the garage. There's the back door. It actually isn't in yet. This is living room and kitchen here. That's gonna be the kitchen, and then out here's the living room. That'll be the loft. This part's gonna go bye-bye. That's just for temporary building stuff. And we'll have 2 bedrooms on that side. Bedroom, laundry room, and office over here. We'll go upstairs. This side's going to be a school room for homeschooling. And there will be a bedroom right there. And then this side will just be open in the loft.